brother runs. You alright? You stuck?
I fixed one.
Walk away. Whoa!
No!
Ben. Hey, when you see him react like that, it doesn't mean take more stuff from him, okay? Because if you do it, you're going to go to your room. No, stop it.
And that's the way I do it, and that's the way it goes.
Okay, Ben, go to your room.
No.
I'm tired of you making him scream, okay? Tired of it. Yeah, but don't make him quit making him scream then, okay? If you're brothers. If you're brothers. Stop making him scream.
Did Ethan win? Oh. Ooh. What?
Football's over.
Where's Ethan?
Yeah. Soccer.
Where'd you go? Ethan.
Mom.
Huh?
Mommy.
Yes.
Mom.
What?
Mommy.
What?
Mom.
What?
Mommy.
I do see you.
Mom.
What?
Mom.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
What, baby?
Mommy.
What?
No.
Yes, I see you.
I see you. I got business casual tomorrow.
Fun.
Me.
I see you.
For nothing. For me, though. Because we have people showing up in the office. You're on. I see you. I'm going to take your picture.
You're very
I
squawky.
see you squawking, whining at you.